Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling precise location and granting Google Maps permissions. This lets the app run in background. Now sign into the Google account you want to share from, because sharing ties to that account. Once done, open Maps, tap your profile, then location sharing and get started. Choose a contact or create a link, pick duration or select until you turn this off for continuous sharing. Make sure battery optimization won't stop Maps, otherwise sharing may pause. Next, configure continuous sharing so your location updates all the time. You select a contact or generate a shareable link, then explicitly choose until you turn this off for indefinite sharing. Make sure to allow background location, high accuracy mode, and disable battery optimization for Google Maps so the system doesn't suspend it. Once configured, confirm the contact sees your live dot on their maps. If you use multiple devices, repeat steps on each device and verify account consistency before relying on it. To finalize, verify the recipient can view your live location in their Google Maps, ask them to refresh and watch your blue dot. Make sure background location permission persists after OS or Maps updates. These often reset settings. If sharing fails, toggle location sharing off then on, restart your device, and recheck battery optimization exemptions. As a key troubleshooting tip, if location shows inaccurate, switch to high-accuracy GPS, clear Maps cache, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.